Hello, I'm Karen, and if you find prospecting and sifting through a long list of potential leads exhausting, then take a moment to explore this page. I'll reveal 3 simple strategies that can change your world when executed correctly. Be sure to watch the overview video and then let's chat. Get paid to use your smartphone. Our proven system shows you how to earn thousands daily from the comfort of your home by leveraging the $493.13 billion global smartphone market. This opportunity is not MLM, cash gifting, Amazon, ClickBank, Facebook, or anything you might be thinking. There are no pass-up sales, roll-ups, admin fees, qualifiers, monthly fees, or chargebacks. You keep 100% of all sales, starting with your very first sale on day 1. Discover a proven system that allows you to easily earn $2,000 to $20,000 plus per week. It works, and it's easy to duplicate. If you're tired of struggling financially, take action now. Earn up to $2,000 to $20,000 in cash for every new member who joins you. Get paid on the same day. Here's how to get started. This is an incredible way to get quick cash sent directly to your mailbox or the bank account of your choice. Plus, you'll receive fantastic startup bonuses, including $1,000 in free grocery coupons of your choice, $1,000 in fast food restaurant vouchers, 3-day 2-night trips abroad, 8-day 7-night trips abroad, and much more. Sign up on our website now and start enjoying that extra income flowing in right away. It's as easy as pie. Share this video with your friends. It's time for you to start receiving real mailbox cash money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Startup bonuses. $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. $1,000 in restaurant and fast food chain coupons, including places like TGI Fridays, Chili's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, and many more. 3-day 2-night trip. 8-day 7-night trip. Hot new mailbox cash money marketing kit. In the meantime, please feel free to call Rick with any questions at 346-704-1754. Welcome to the #1 Dream Team. To your success, God bless. Visit www.mailboxmoneyleads.com.